الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Hello everyone, welcome to our Unit 1 Vocabulary Revision class. This is Miss Amal and today inshallah we're gonna focus on the vocabulary section in Unit 1. I know that you have long lists of words, so today inshallah today is all about playing with some of them, making connections and making sure they stick in your brains. So no heavy grammar, just words and ideas. Ready? So the objective of today's class is to actively recall, use, and solidify the meaning of key vocabulary from Unit 1. Great, so let's warm up those mental muscles. To start, I'm going to say a word from our Unit 1 vocab, and I want you to type the first word or idea you connect it to, okay? So remember, there are no wrong answers, okay? This is just to get our brains in the right gear. So I'll start. The first word that you have here is gravity. Yeah. Type in the chat whatever comes to your mind, okay, in relation to this word. All answers are correct. So let's see. Okay, we have Earth, we have space, we have falling, we have universe. Excellent. Yes. What else? Magnetic force. Okay, amazing. Yes. Planets. Super. Yes. Huh? What else? We can also say Newton, fall, apple. We said that all answers are correct. Okay? Yalla, let's move on. Okay, yes. Planet. Super. Yeah. Okay. Next word, attraction force. Yes, super. Yeah. The next one. Let's move on to the next one. Next word is experiment. Yalla, let's see. So, scientists. Yes. Okay, super. Rats. Yes. Okay, researchers. Okay, super. What else? Yalla, what about the rest? Evidence. Yes, you are all correct. Amazing. Lab monkeys. Discover. Okay, wonderful. Yalla, let's move on. I think someone else typed something. Try. Yes, because science.
Weather.
Okay. I think I was muted. Okay, anyways. So global warming. Yes, excellent. We couldn't, sorry. Okay. So the third word is climate change. You wrote global warming, weather, sun, clouds, glaciers, melting. Yes, super. Amazing. Yeah, excellent work, everybody. So wonderful start. Yalla, you are already making all the right links. So now let's get a bit more structured. Okay. Now, we are going a bit deeper. I'm going to show you some questions or scenarios, okay? Your job is to use our vocabulary word to answer, okay? I'll provide a number of words for each question. Okay? The title of this segment is Explain and Connect. So, yeah, let's start. For example, let's do this together, and then the rest of the examples, you will do them alone. Okay? So, a scientist finds a new type of bacteria. What is the process they must follow to understand it? I want you to use these words in your answers or in your sentences. Yalla, let's see. I'll give you a minute and then, or let's do this together, okay? And for, as I said, the rest, you can do them on your own. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to use investigate, experiment, evidence, theory, proof in order to answer this question. Who would like to try? Who would like to try answering this question? Yellow, one more time. So scientists find a new type of bacteria. What is the process that scientist must follow in order to understand it?
Experiment.
Yes, excellent. Type. I want you to use these words. Listen, they must do some sort of experiment, yes, but I want these words in sentences. Okay, I don't want you just to say كده random words. No, I want you to use them in sentences. Let's see, someone typed, okay. The criminal is escaped, so the police come to the scene for investigation. No. I want you, Abdussalam, I want you to answer the question that we have here. What is the process that the scientists need to follow in order to understand the new type of bacteria that they found? Okay, Ranim wrote they must first investigate, then collect evidence for some proof through experiments, and that basis they must provide a theory. Okay, excellent. Yes, nice try. Okay, so listen. For example, you might say they must investigate the bacteria first, right? Then they design an experiment. The evidence from the experiment will help them form a theory, but they need more tests to prove it. Okay, did you understand? So let's see. Okay, we have other. Okay, the scientist must first investigate the bacteria, then design an experiment to gather evidence. If the evidence consistently support the hypothesis, it contributes to a scientific theory which helps to prove the findings about the new organs. Amazing. Very good, Ahad. Yes, they have to investigate about it, then they can do some experiments to discover some solutions for it. Okay, yes, nice try. Okay, super. Did you get the idea? Yalla, thumbs up if you understood the concept of this exercise. Thumbs up. Yalla, I need your reaction. Give me a thumbs up. Yes, okay, super. Yes, Renim. Okay. Yeah, let's move on. So, what are your goals for learning English? I'm sure you all have specific goals for learning English, right? Yalla, I want you to use these words in your sentences. Improve fluency, practice, target language, accuracy. Okay. Very good, Jumana. Yes. Yalla, I'll give you a minute and then we're going to read the answers. Okay? Yalla. So again, use these words in your answers, and I want full, complete sentences, please. Yeah. Okay, time is up. Yalla, let's see. First of all, who can tell me what is the difference between fluency and accuracy? Yes, raise your hand if you know the answer. What is the difference between fluency and accuracy? Okay, so fluency. Okay, yalla, Renee. Go ahead.
Miss fluency refers to speaking a language without stuttering, speaking it fluently without any mistakes, whereas accuracy means how accurately you will use the vocabulary of the language.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much. So, fluency is speaking smoothly and with ease, focusing on what communication. As long as you're communicating whatever you want to say, this is fluency, okay? On the other hand, accuracy is speaking or writing correctly, emphasizing proper grammar and accurate vocab, okay? So, let's see your answers. So, I want to, okay. So Noura wrote to improve my skills and knowledge. Okay, excellent. But I want a complete sentence. Abir wrote, I want to improve my, where is it? Okay, my English and speak with better fluency. I'll practice often so I can use the target language with good accuracy. Excellent. English is my current target language to master, and I need to improve it. Therefore, I need to practice my fluency and accuracy. Okay, English is my target language. I plan to practice it daily to improve my accuracy and fluency in the language. Super. I want to improve my communication skills and to speak with fluency. Okay, excellent. Yes, okay. Super. Yalla, let's see. Okay, so you might say, my goal is to improve my fluency and accuracy in English. To do this, I need to practice speaking as much as possible in the target language. Okay, who can tell me what is the target language? What do we mean by target language? Yalla, raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes, Mustafa.
The language that you want to speak.
Very good. The language that you're trying to master, or the language that you are, yes, trying to master. Yeah, we are trying to master. Yes, very good, Maram. Excellent. That I want to learn. Yes, excellent, Juman. Yalla, let's move on. Okay. Our planet is facing a big problem. What is it? What causes it? And what can we do? Yalla, use these words in your answers. And you have 1 minute. Go. Type your answers in the chat. Climate change, global warming, pollution, greenhouse gas, reduce. Yalla, I want to see these words in your answers. Yalla, time is up. Let's see. Okay. No one typed anything? How come? Yes. Yalla, who would like to answer? Come on. Yes, hello, my 67 students. Where are you? What's going on? Okay, very good, Jumana. Yalla, let's see. The planets. Jumana, yalla, open your mic and read your answer.
The planet's big problem is climate change and global warming caused by pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, so we must reduce those gases to fix it.
Super. Excellent. Very good. What about the rest? At least answer the first part here. Okay, our planet is facing a big problem. What is that problem? It is climate change. So the main problem is climate change, which is caused by global warming. This happens because of pollution from greenhouse gases, which are the gases in Earth's atmosphere that trap heat. Okay? Okay. Now, we need to reduce our use of cars and fossil fuels. Okay. Yalla, the last one. And this. Okay, yalla, the last example here is this a beautiful painting. How would a subjective person answer? How would an objective person answer? And what does this have to do with free will? Yeah. So subjective people rely on personal feelings, taste, opinions, right? What about objective people? They base their views on facts and evidence. So yalla, I need to see subjective, objective, or free will in your answers. Yalla, hurry up. Okay, excellent, Wasaif. Yes, yell. I'm not gonna give you a minute. Yell. You can do this. This is easy. Come on. Okay, this is the question, Muhammad. Yell. You need to use these words in order to answer the question that we have here. So, is this a beautiful painting? How would a subjective person answer? How would an objective person answer? And what does this have to do with free will? You know the meaning of free will, right? Free will means what? Our capacity to choose our own actions, right? Okay, let's see. Again, no one typed their answers yet. Yell, hurry up.
Free will is when someone chooses his path for his life.
Again?
When you has free will to make their own choices and
Very good.
decide
Yes. And
own path
decide?
on your life.
Okay,
The
super.
path
Yes.
of your life.
Yes, excellent. Yalla, huh? Okay, a subjective person would answer based on their personal feelings, while an objective person would answer by using facts and details. Yes, this connects to free will because people have the freedom to think and judge things in their own way. Super, Maram. Yes, excellent. So, a subjective person might say, it is beautiful because that's how I feel, right? On the other hand, an objective person might try to measure its use of colors, its historical importance, the symbolism in that painting, for example, okay, أو اللي هي الرمزية, okay. So they use different facts, okay. We use our free will, as Maram said, to choose our perspective. Okay, super. Now, yalla, let's move on. So now it's time for a quick game. The name of this game is Define It. I'll give you a simple definition or a clue, and you're gonna tell me the word for that definition. The vocab here at the top of the slide can help you. Okay, so due to our limited class time, I've provided these vocab to narrow your focus. Yalla, you have 3 minutes to finish this. Go. Come on, guys, hurry up. You have less than a minute to finish this. Okay. Yalla, let's see. Now, okay, super. You've wrote your answers here. Yalla, who would like to answer the first one? Yalla, raise your hand. The one who would like to answer will read the definition and give me the right word to it. Yalla, let's see. Okay. Okay, yalla, Muhammad. This Muhammad. Okay.
Yep. Yes. The ability to speak a language easily and well. Fluency.
Okay, excellent. Very good. Yeah, let's move on. Ramin?
Yes, ma'am. To find something for the first time, like a new planet. Discover.
Okay, excellent. I like your name, by the way. Okay, you're welcome. Yalla, let's move on. Okay, next. Mazen.
A tool like a thermometer or a guitar instrument.
Super. Excellent. Okay. Yalla, next. Sarah Muhammad. Yes. The path the Earth takes around the sun orbit. Excellent. Orbit. Okay. يلا. Then. يلا. Next. Tulin.
To work out a number with mice, calculate.
Okay, super. Excellent. يلا. Let's move on. Okay. Mustafa.
Personal belief or judgment, opinion.
Okay, super. Okay, next. Jumana.
A guess about a number or amount. Estimate.
Okay, excellent. Estimate. يلا next. Leon. عاطف.
Yes. Okay. The force that keeps us on the ground, gravity.
Okay, excellent. After that, يلا Nancy.
Yes. A medicine that fights infection, penicillin.
Excellent. Very good. Okay, and the last one, Muhammad Sami.
To make something smaller or less reduce.
Okay, super. Excellent. Great job. Okay, now we will tackle a quick exam style question. This is like the most important part of our lecture because you get to see the different types of questions that you may find in the final exam. Okay, so as you know, the vocabulary section on a test isn't just one thing, it's a collection of different types of questions, right? Once you know what to look for, you can tackle each question with confidence. Okay, so now let's break down the most common types. The first one is the direct meaning. Okay, we call these type of questions the classics. Okay, because these questions test your knowledge of a word's definition directly. So, under direct meaning, you might get something like this question here. Yell. In the context of scientific research, what does it mean to investigate? Yella, read the answers and tell me. Raise your hand if you'd like to answer. Yella, let's see.
Can I answer, Doctor?
Okay, now who's talking?
Me, Jawad.
Yella Jawad. Okay.
Okay,
What is the right
to
answer
carry
here?
out a systematic examination or cry, because investigate is deep something
Excellent.
when you investigate.
Yes, very good. So, why is B correct? Because investigate, as you said, is a careful, systematic
Yes,
process. It's not
deep,
just
it's
a
deep.
guess. Yes, excellent. Very good. It's a deep process, okay? Yalla, let's move on. Another way to ask about the direct meaning of a particular word is this. Yalla. A distinguishing quality that defines something is a Yalla, raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay, Muhammad.
Yes.
Yes,
Its characteristics.
yes, super, very good. Yalla. Okay, there is another one. What is the term for an approximate calculation or assessment? Approximate calculation. Let's see. Yes, Sarah? Estimates. Yes, very good. Okay. Estimate. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Another question that is linked to the direct meaning of a particular word is the synonyms and antonyms question. Because once you know the meaning, you should know the words that mean or almost mean the same as the given one, right? And the same thing for synonyms apply for antonyms, right? What do we mean by antonyms? Yes? Open your mics,
Opposite.
you know the answer. Yes, exactly,
Opposites.
very good. Yes, words with opposite meaning. Yeah, let's see. So which of the following is most opposite in meaning to subjective? Yalla, who would like to answer? Let's see, Abdullah. I'm trying to pick new students. Yalla, Abdullah, huh?
It's C, objective.
Okay, very good. Objective. Okay, because subjective is based on personal feelings, right? While objective is based on facts. They
Fact.
are direct opposites. Yes, super. Yeah. Now, the second category of questions is words in context. So these test your ability to use words in a particular context. So you might get something like this. Yeah. Many scientists believe that the increase in extreme weather is a direct result of. Yalla, who would like to answer? Let's see. Tulin. Yes, Tulin.
Climate change.
Okay, very good. Okay, because climate change is the long-term phenomenon that causes the extreme weather, right? Okay, very good. So here, climate change. Okay, and the other words here do not fit in the scientific context, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, so what is your strategy here? Your strategy is to read for logic. Yeah, who can answer this? After the spacecraft will launch next year, it will take several months to reach Mars. The word launch in this sentence is closest in meaning to. Yeah, who would like to answer? Yes, Lean. Yalla, Lean.
After the spacecraft will launch next year, it will take several months to reach Mars. The word launch in the sentence is closest in meaning to be sent into space.
Excellent. Super. Very good. Okay. Because to launch is to send something on its journey, right? Like a rocket or a new product also. Okay. So yalla, let's see. Okay. So we're still talking about the same category, okay? The words and context. This applies also for collocations and common phrases. Okay, what do we mean by common phrases or collocations? Words that usually come together. Yalla, who can answer this question here? Let's see. Yalla, Ramin.
B, target language.
Ramin again?
B,
In the
target
language,
language.
very good. In the language learning, the language you are trying to learn is often called the target language. Okay, super. Now, let's move on to another category. Okay, now, of course, as a language learner, you should know the different parts of speech. What do I mean by that? What are the different parts of speech? Yeah, huh? Type in the chat. What are the different parts of speech? Yes, Muhammad, yes. We have nouns. What else? Adjectives. Yes. Verbs. Adverbs. Okay, yes, super. Okay, very good. And You should also know the suffixes that nouns usually end with, right? Okay, to help you decide what is the part of speech of the words that you don't know. Okay, so for example, here are the suffixes that you usually find at the end of nouns. Okay, so attract is the verb attraction, reserve, reservation. Okay, so we have the ending ion or ation. Okay, allow, allowance, assist, assistant, agency, cy. Okay, popular, popularity, dark, darkness, ness also, and comfort, confide, confidence. Okay, طيب, let's get back to the question. Okay, we also have, okay, I brought this from the first lesson in Unit 1. Fakrina, explain, explanation, estimate, estimation. So look at the ending of these nouns. Okay, so we have the same suffix. Okay, and here meant also is a suffix that is usually attached to nouns, right? Okay, let's get back to this. The noun form of the verb to improve is, yeah, type in the chat. Yeah, type in the chat. What is the answer to this?
Improvement.
Improvement.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly. Very good. Okay.
It's easy.
Improvement. Yes. Okay. Super. Now, yeah, another type of questions that you might get is the word category. So, how to divide words based on whatever reason you might find. Okay, so sometimes you might divide them based on their meanings or their parts of speech. Okay, etc. So which word is the odd one out in this group? We have investigate, we have observe, just a second, we have dream, and we have experiment. Yeah, who would like to answer? Okay, improvement. Yes, Hina, excellent. Okay, C. Yes, very good. Yalla, who can tell me why? Why is it C? Why is it C? Let's see. Yes, Nancy. Yes, very good. Dream. It's a noun? No. Experiment is also a noun.
Because the dream word is not connected with the other word. It's very far.
What do you mean?
Not
Yes,
here.
excellent. Very good. Okay, Jawad. Yes.
Not
Okay, super.
similar, the meaning, but other word is similar. Near them, you can put it. But this one, if you put it in sentence, it's not. It will not reconnect well.
Okay, yes, excellent. Sarah also wrote because they are all scientific words except dream. Yes, Jumana. All the other are scientific words. Okay, yes, good, excellent, all of you. So the others are active steps in the scientific method, right? While dream is more subjective and internal. Okay, so try to think of a way to put out the word that is out of place. Okay, okay. Now let's move on. Okay, so you've done a lot of work, great work. Okay, for our final activity, I want you to think a little bit personally. Okay, so look at the vocabulary words that we have here on the slide, and I want you to choose one that is most important or interesting to you for any reason that you might have and put it in a meaningful personal sentence. Okay, for example, I picked develop here and I wrote this sentence as a teacher. My main goal is to help my students develop their confidence in English. Yalla, I want sentences. Full, complete sentences. Yeah. I'll give you 2 minutes and then I'll read your answers. Yalla, type your answers in the chat.
Miss Amal? Excuse me,
Yes?
Miss Amal.
Yes?
What about those who can't type in the chat? Because it's telling me that the replies are restricted.
Okay, no worries. You can raise your hand and give us your sentence, okay? Once they finish.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Yeah, time is up. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, يلا Mustafa, read your sentence.
Last night I dreamed about being high school and failing a test.
Oh my God, that was horrible. Okay, excellent, very good. Another sentence, the dream. Okay, super. يلا مازن.
I want to develop my skills and improve my English every day.
Super, excellent. يلا نور.
As a young student, I really want to make my dreams come true.
Okay, super, excellent. Inshallah, all your dreams will come true. Yes, Nancy.
According to research, this painting is considered the most expensive one.
Very good, excellent. Okay, although you have a spelling mistake in considered, but excellent, very good. يلا رهف.
I want to play my English skills this semester.
Super, excellent. Inshallah you will. يلا, let's see. Ramin.
Person must dream big because the one who dreams big can have the courage to achieve it.
Oh, wonderful, amazing. Okay, excellent. يلا لين. لين. يلا لين محمد. Go ahead. Lynn. Okay, I'll read your sentence. I have a goal to develop my skills in balancing my personal and academic life. Maybe by balancing my personal and academic life. Okay, excellent. Very good. يلا سارة. Life cannot go on without balance. Very good. Excellent. Amazing sentences. يلا ندى. Yes. ندى. ندى عبدو. This plan helps me keep a healthy balance between rest and productivity. Okay, very good. Yes. Tulin? Yes, Tulin. Before starting a
Before
project.
starting a
Yes.
project, students must research the topic to gather information.
Excellent. Very good, Jumana.
Excellent. Very good. My main focus this semester is to achieve a good balance between university studies and work.
Excellent. Very good. Okay, yes. You said a good balance, but you didn't write the article. Excellent. Very good. يلا ليان.
Okay. I wrote 24. She works hard to improve her grades. I dream of becoming a successful businesswoman one day. The students did research about climate change. I dream خلاص هذه نفسها.
Okay, very good. Excellent. يلا محمد.
Okay. We need to balance between our work and university studies.
Okay, very good. Nancy.
If we want success, we must balance and prioritize our task.
Okay, super. Okay, what about the one who couldn't type in the chat? Yes. Who was that? I'm sorry, I didn't get your name. Okay. Yes,
It's Abdullah.
yes, Abdullah. يلا, go ahead.
I just want to say thank you, Ms. Amal, for helping us improving our language.
Thank you so much. Yes, يلا Amal. Is this Amal?
That's considered a
Yes.
sentence, right?
Yes, of course. Okay, excellent. Thank you. يلا Amal. Your name is
Yes.
like mine.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
I
I'm
wrote
also Amal
3
Muhammad. Yes, go.
sentences.
Huh? Okay, give me one.
I love being a college student, but I work and I balance between my work and study.
Okay, super.
And
Excellent.
I was okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Excellent. Go ahead, finish. No worries. يلا. Yes.
Okay. I was explaining to my teacher why I was absent from my last lecture, and I do a research before I learn anything.
Okay, very good. Lean, why are you raising your hand? And Sadine. Sadine? Yes, Lean, first go, huh?
Yes.
I got disconnected. I heard my name, but I got disconnected earlier for a bit. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, no problem.
You asked me to
يلا
read my sentence.
Okay, super. خلاص, no problem. Sadine, what about you?
Yes. I have a
Yes.
sentence.
يلا Sadine, go ahead.
I always look for constructive feedback so I can improve myself.
Excellent. Very good. Okay, super. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. You all did an amazing job. You were thinking, connecting, and using these vocabulary perfectly. Remember, revising vocab isn't about memorizing a list. It's about making these words your own so you can use them when you need them. Again, great
Hello,
work,
doctor.
everyone. Enjoy the rest of the day. And to my students, see you tomorrow. Yes, if you have any question, raise your hand now.
Can you
Yes.
send the PowerPoint and that
In the
and the
chat.
WhatsApp or yes, in the chat.
Yes, no worries. Okay, inshallah. Yeah. Thank you so much. Do you have any question? Thank you.
Excuse me, Miss Amal.
Yes.
Are there any extra lectures?
Yes, you're gonna have another lecture today also. I think all teachers shared the link and the schedule with you guys, right?
So that was with Dr. Alpha.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Abdullah, you can leave. Thank you so much. You were amazing. Thank you so much for all your hard work and participation. Yes, Lean. Yes, what do you want? Yes, Lean?